What's up, guys? Welcome back to Office Antics. Today we are playing Cards Against Humanity. If you get offended, easily click away from this video.
Yeah, you bitch.
Because that's what's gonna happen.
Wow,
Hey,
Daddy, why would you be so mean?
Don't swear, it hurts ad revenue.
Bitch.
Oh, more money
There it
down the
goes.
drain.
You can actually
Oh,
feel
it
it.
hurts.
You can
That was a
actually
lot.
feel it come out of your
It
mouth.
hurts so much. All right, guys, so welcome back to Office Antics. Today we're playing Cards Against Humanity. It's a game where you pretty much offend everybody, so it's kind of okay if everyone gets offended, right?
Cards
I can't
against-
get offended.
I will
You
cry.
offend
Let
all
me
the managements.
let me dose out the cards right now.
Ready? One,
Did you
two,
say dose?
3, 4,
Dose out.
5,
I'm gonna
I've got those right now. Now I got trace.
Dose.
8, 9,
11.
10,
6, 4,
69,
100.
69.
I'm excited.
Nine.
Hey, I will never lose count. Look at your own cards.
I'm looking at your cards.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I got good cards.
Oh,
This is
these are
amazing.
good.
I think I'm
Yeah.
All right, we're
I
playing
didn't
to
actually
three.
look at your
We're playing
cards.
three?
Don't be a phony.
That's what we
I
always
didn't
played,
look
right?
at
I'll go
your
first,
cards.
I'll go
I had my
first.
I go
eyes
first.
closed.
No, I go first.
I did all the hard work.
I don't care, man.
I did all the hard
He
work.
has the piece.
I own the company.
That's not true.
All right, this is your captain speaking. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for blank.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna play. This is.
I am the captain now.
No, you're not.
All right, let me shuffle these up so it's not prejudice.
Yo, shuffle them up, cause like I'm also prejudiced.
Aliens
All
are
right.
So good
prejudice.
and overexposed.
This is your captain speaking. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for being on fire.
Oh my God.
That sounds pretty normal.
Prepare. I'm gonna light you on fire. Prepare yourself.
We're most likely gonna crash and there's gonna be a fire. Prepare for it.
This is the captain speaking. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for hot pockets.
Ooh,
Oh, hot
that's a good one.
pockets.
I like
I
how
love
they
them.
have like the trademark.
Yeah, it's like hot pockets.
But,
This is your
there-
captain
it's a
speaking.
company.
Hey, I'm on the intercom. I'm the captain. I'm speaking. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for bitches.
Uh-huh.
Yo, I don't know
Uh-huh.
about you, but this is my kind of plane.
I don't know. I think the hot.
I
That's
think
what I'm talking about.
I'm going with being on fire.
Woo!
I like being on fire.
Woo!
Hey,
Your captain comes on the
Hey.
intercom and he says, "Prepare for bitches," and you're gonna pick being on fire.
Well, because it's funnier.
It's
Yeah,
not.
the other one's just a party.
The
Yeah,
other one is
no.
just a great time.
Oh yeah, no, I would love to hear the captain say that.
don't we like we draw a card
That would
after
be
we
pretty
do that
great.
now?
Yeah,
That's
draw,
it.
take it,
You gotta count.
and then now you're the cards are, Dan.
Oh, I'm the cards out.
Just playing.
I got
We
seven
don't
cards.
let you be the cards are.
Yeah.
You're good.
You're not allowed.
Everyone
All
else can
right.
be a cards art besides you, Dan.
You know
I will
what
burn your
I have
hat.
to say about that? Play.
Let's do it.
Play the
Tonight,
cards.
hey, tonight on 2020, what you don't know about blank could kill you.
What?
Thinking about it.
Ooh, we got two first
Wait.
right now. He slammed that down real hard. He's locking that in. You better hurry
It's
up.
been locked in, boys.
It's locked in.
You gotta slam it harder than I did.
Gotta
Oh,
slam
you
it
know
like a
what?
Slim
You
Jim.
don't have to break your
All
hand.
right, all right. Ow.
Oh, yeah, he's ready for it. He's
Hey,
ready
Preston,
for it.
do a look at A-Cam and just wink at it. Nice.
Cardzai is here tonight on 2020. What you don't know about hipsters could kill you. I like that one,
I need
actually.
to stay tuned for that one.
I
I
do
need to- I
too.
need to-
You know what?
Take a
All
look
right.
at your cards. Take a look at your cards. Give your cards away. I gave mine. I almost
Let's
vomited.
just take a
Oh.
second to realize that
smell like
Red has
hair.
just been smelling his
he
cards.
just likes to sniff his
like
cards.
convincing everyone else. Hey, smell your cards, dude.
I'm not gonna
Doesn't
lie.
it smell like people's fingers? Doesn't it smell like people's
Is that what it is?
No, it,
No,
it
dude,
smells like
it's like-
marker.
No, I
or
bet you it
something.
smells like the
smells like
inside of this
warm
box.
hair.
Like his foam things.
I'm getting like
How
a
do you
little
know
hint
what warm
of
hair
lime
smells like?
with some
My hair has
cilantro.
been warm before.
Are you a hipster? Are you, should I know something about you?
Did you see the hat?
Nobody look at me
All
right,
right,
now.
tonight on 2020, what you don't know about a passionate Latino lover could kill you.
That has so many.
I've got
and
lots of secrets.
That's so
Let me
open
not tell you anything, okay? Tonight on 2020, what you don't know about Preston Danger won't kill you. He's pretty harmless.
Wait, did someone put a Preston Danger down?
No, no,
Is
no,
that a card?
no.
It
no.
could be.
I was just
It
trying to get your
should be.
hopes up. I was trying to get your
It could
hopes
be
up.
with one of these
Blank cards.
blank cards.
All right, what you don't know about the terrorists could kill you.
That's probably true.
That one is extremely true.
I would just say
That's
that's just
just
straight
a,
up true.
That's just a real
Who's
news
hipsters? Because
type.
hipsters won.
I was the hipsters.
You are hip, man.
Yes, I won because I'm hipster.
Lies, lies, lies.
Lie, 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 lie.
I do believe it is my
You are the
turn.
czar,
You are
my
the
friend.
czar,
You
my
are the
friend.
czar.
Car guard.
What?
czar.
Who came up with the word czar?
Russia?
The Russians.
Yeah, it was Russia.
Czar.
Yeah,
think.
I think
There's
they went to
probably-
like a Little
You're
Caesars
czar,
for a bit.
okay? You're czar.
And they're like, yo.
Yo, 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 yo. Everybody shut up. I'm about to do this card. The blind date was going horribly until we discovered our shared interest in blank.
Well, I tell you what, I played the COD. I hope the COD wins.
I don't think
Yeah,
that's,
it's a custom card.
I don't think that's how those work.
It's a custom card. No, shuffle it. Read it last. Emphasis. I'll play a real card too.
We don't see color here.
Yeah,
We're
exactly.
not racist against cards here.
Wait, so you're saying you're a dog?
I'm saying yes.
All four of us are colorblind.
I'm pretty
Dogs
sure
are
dogs
so
can see between
equal.
black and white, okay?
No.
All
they
right,
can't.
sorry.
They're
Read
gray.
me my destiny.
Oh. The blind date was going horribly until we discovered our shared interest in doo-doo.
Oh.
Man,
You know what I really
we were
wanna
4
talk
years old
about right now?
Let's talk about some duty.
I know we're not on the same page, but how do you feel about doo-doo?
You know, sometimes it's runny, sometimes it's not. Either way, I like it.
The worst though is when it
Oh, I'm
squirts.
interested.
It's like
Ew.
I'm
Oh,
interested in
stop.
continuing
No,
this
okay.
conversation.
All right.
I just had
The
one of
blind date was going horribly until we discovered our shared interest in poorly timed Holocaust jokes.
ha! Remember that? Never
Oh
mind.
my god.
Remember that time, the Holocaust?
It,
Yeah,
the game
yeah.
was so
Hey.
poorly until we started making it worse.
All right.
Wow.
And last but certainly not least,
My
the blind date was going horribly until we discovered our shared interest in,
Oh, that looks like a penis.
and then it's
Yeah,
just
that
a
looks-
picture of
that-
a penis.
Yeah,
You guys like that card?
you were truly
the
a
game was going
saint
poorly
until we discovered how much we
talked
like
about my
Dick.
penis,
Hey.
and then everything
You
turned
know,
out.
You know, I like Dick. Dick's fine. He's a good guy.
Who wins?
Need money off
this is
that
a tough
right?
one because this is like Super Saiyan, but he's also a custom card, so
Yeah,
it
he's-
doesn't really
he's
count.
like,
Yo, but
Yeah, custom card count?
work my butt
all
off.
right, then I go with this one.
Yeah!
Oh, come on.
Give me-
Come on.
Who is
It's-
second place?
It's just a picture.
Okay, it's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with blank. You can't just laugh and put your card down. Like,
can't.
You're like, I'm that cool, guys. You guys even laughing. I'm like, fuck you.
Slam! That
We're all
really,
ready.
really hurt.
All
Well,
right.
then quit doing it.
Let me read this card.
But I'm
again.
so confident in my cards and
Well, I mean, you all have cards.
the
except
heart of the
me, so-
cards, you know?
It's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with women's suffrage.
Aha! We don't pay you enough.
It sure is a pity.
If you don't know what women's suffrage is because you're under the age of 15, it's women's right to vote.
Yeah, and you kids should get involved with it.
Which they already have, by the way.
It's such a pity.
It's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with a sassy black woman.
Oh.
About to get slapped.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
About to
Anyway,
get slapped.
it's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with patty mayonnaise.
From Doug?
Who's Patty?
That's from
Mayonnaise?
Doug.
That's from
why,
Doug, dude.
why is a character from Doug in
Remember
this
Patty?
game? What?
Patty mayonnaise?
Who'd be Patty?
Dude, she was like
It's like
ugly.
his
Women's
girlfriend.
suffrage wins.
Thank you. All right, are you all prepared? Whoa! Hey, guys, TSA new guidelines now prohibit blank on airplanes.
No way.
What?
On airplanes?
Yeah, on airplanes.
Dude, airplanes, TSA is
Light-
just too
lightly.
hardcore now.
All right.
All right, I'm so
on, pal.
curious.
TSA.
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 TSA
Oh,
guidelines now
that is their word.
TSA guidelines now prohibit clenched butt cheeks
Oh.
on airplanes.
How do I,
There's
Hey,
something
you better
up
not
there.
clench, boy.
That
you
means
better
there's
not
something
clench.
up there.
how am I supposed to
All
get
right.
through those red eyes if I can't clench?
Those are brown eyes.
TSA,
Oh, God. God, man.
TSA guidelines now prohibit grammar Nazis who are also regular Nazis on airplanes. Okay, I agree.
It is you are,
Well,
not
not
just
speaking
you.
the
That's
right
probably a
way.
good one.
Oh my fuck.
What?
TSA guidelines now prohibit two midgets shitting in a box on airplanes.
You know, it's about time. I was getting real sick
All right,
of
this
that.
this one wins.
Oh, yay!
Oh, I'm so curious as to why they started banning that from airplanes.
Yo,
Started
they get
getting
carried away.
everyone
They get
playing.
carried away.
I used to
they-
enjoy
they
my
get way
midget
too
shit
into
boxes.
it.
Like the plane just started stinking up, and we just kind of opened up the overhead bin, and we just saw it, and we were like, "Ooh."
What do white people like, Preston? Tell
Let me tell you, Barney. Let me tell you. White people like tiny nipples.
I can't say he's wrong.
I
We
can't
love them.
They
Itty bitty
love
titties.
them.
Any kind of
They love them, Bonnie. Let me tell you.
What else can you tell me?
Oh, white people like sucking the president's dick.
If you're in the South,
I can't say
that's
that they're
probably
wrong.
not right.
I can't say that they're wrong.
He can't say it. He can't say they're
Cannot
wrong.
deny.
I don't trust either of you.
I can't deny it. We just all just programmed to like it.
But
Program.
but on a more serious note, white people like an erection that lasts longer than 4 hours.
No, you go see a doctor for that. Viagra has told me
No,
not.
so
I
painful.
love that stuff.
Oh, I
I
find
can't
it
deny that either.
Hey,
So painful, bro.
You know, I gotta say, as a white person, I agree.
Holy shit, guys.
You
This
know?
is white.
what?
I know.
Whoa.
I know. Hold on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I didn't want to have to, do it in front of everybody like this, but I'm actually white, you guys.
Dude, I thought that was makeup.
Who loses and who goes home?
I want to say tiny nipples.
Yes, finally got one.
Yeah, Dan won. Dan wins again.
And I wanted to ask for that to be taken away. Remember that. You
Yeah,
guys,
dude.
You guys
I know.
started that.
That
You
just
guys
shows
kept
how
that.
poor
You almost changed your.
Shut up.
You almost changed your
Try,
fate.
okay?
All right.
I tried to be
You guys
less
ready?
offensive.
Yeah, I was born ready.
I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm blank.
All right, I have.
Sounds like you have some internal conflict.
Oh no, I think
It's a song about being a bitch, a
I'm
lover,
bitch,
and a child.
I'm a lover.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm a bitch, I'm a lover.
There you
I'm
go.
a child, I'm a blank.
Oh, we got two
I'm a
cards
mother.
here. We got
is
two
how the
cards.
song
think
goes.
that's how the
Uh,
song
I'm a
goes.
mother.
I'm a.
Is that?
No,
Congratulations.
That's how the.
I don't
that's
care.
actually
If Beyonce doesn't sing it, it's not real.
Dude, is Beyonce
Oh, you guys do
real?
your cards? Yeah.
I'm
sure.
so
Hold on.
How is Beyonce real if her eyes aren't real?
No, Beyonce's not real, dude.
Right.
There's no such thing as Beyonce.
Yo, all y'all got stop.
Don't talk like that, please.
We've been over this,
Dude,
Barney.
seriously, you gotta
I'm
seek
a
help.
bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a actually taking candy from a baby.
I'm actually.
All right, I'm gonna turn the station off. That was my tone in that was just so.
All right.
That was bad.
I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm becoming a blueberry. Can you tell? Can you tell I'm becoming a
Willy
blueberry?
Wonka, what you doing here, man?
All right. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm not reciprocating oral sex.
Oh, that's rude.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty rude.
I'm glad I formed that all into a song to let you know that consent is sexy.
It made a lot more sense with song.
Yeah. the
Right?
song
Because
is-
like if I had just said I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I am a child, I am not reciprocating oral sex.
That just seems like
I
something
would
off
have
Dr.
so many
Phil.
questions.
Imagine if I put like a snap in there. I'm not reciprocating oral sex. Okay?
That was like
Bitch,
7
you
snaps.
got it?
Dude,
You
that's-
understand it? Good.
Can you just quit snapping my personal bubble? I'm getting triggered.
I'm sorry, dude. My sass levels
Everyone
are
is
through the
snapping.
roof right now.
D formation.
Oh,
That's what I thought. How you like it?
I didn't like
All
that.
right, we're done. I picked not reciprocating oral sex because sometimes you just gotta tell your partner how it is.
That's
No. You gotta say no. That's
that's
me.
Cave Dan.
That's you?
Yeah, that was me.
Fuck that guy. All right.
Wow!
Wow!
That's racist,
Hey.
dude.
No, we'll go to sudden death.
No. He
It's
got the card.
sudden
He
death.
got the card. He got the card. He's
All
got
right.
I
two.
got the card.
The last one, yeah, we're playing a 3.
Does it not
Dear
count?
Abby, I'm having some trouble with blank and would like your advice.
Oh man, I could make it get real.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Like,
make it
I could
real,
make it get
real.
real with this card.
I might have accidentally seen your hand. I can see how real.
This
it
is
can
about to get so real. I played all my
But
cards.
see, I could go down that avenue, or I could go down a totally different avenue.
It-
So
So you have 7 different options.
I have
though.
7
Man, you need a
different
GPS, bro. You got a lot of avenues you could go down.
Electric Avenue is my favorite. Though.
Monopoly's great. I like the
Train.
red.
I got a train.
Twain.
Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with the complex geopolitical
Quagmire.
Quagmire. You know, like giggity 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 giggity.
Yeah, but what's quagmire actually mean?
It means turmoil.
Okay.
Learning here.
Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with the complex geopolitical quagmire that is the Middle East and would like your advice.
That sounds pretty
What?
heavy.
Dude, who the fuck put that card there?
That's a pretty heavy request.
Dear
you guys.
Abby,
I'm going home.
I'm having some trouble with the mere concept of Applebee's and would like your advice.
Dude, sometimes you want steak
I'm
and
having
chicken.
trouble with the concept of a restaurant. Can you help
I
me
need I
out?
need your help. I wrote them a letter, by the way. That's how desperate they are.
Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with Rush Limbaugh's soft, shifty body.
Shitty
and
body.
would like your. Oh, I thought it said shifty. It says shitty.
Wait. What did it say?
Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with Rush Limbaugh's soft, shitty. That sounded like a dying animal on his last
You
leg.
managed to get spit
Someone
all
help.
the way through that
think
thing
this thing's-
onto my face.
All right, I'm gonna go with the mere concept of Applebee's.
Woo!
Does that mean you're a winner? He's a winner. You're a winner.
I'm a
This is
winner!
what I want you to do, Barney. I want you to curse in anger. Ready?
Oh, shit.
That was good, you guys.
Good timing there,
Yo,
Rex.
I think I'm gonna make this a profession. I'm gonna be the professional bleeper.
You need a
So
little
guys,
practice.
I got one question though. My Cards Against Humanity card, one of them's a little weird. It's
Yo, you playing Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yo, dog, you're not even
Dude,
doing
you
it from
totally
the
would have
cards.
won if you would have
What
played
kind
that one.
Is this a...
it's
That's
a dragon.
Like, look at it. You can read
Some
it like
sort
this.
of dragon,
Oh,
guys.
it's Grapha, Lord Dragon of the Dark World. Damn.
Hey, wait a
Dark
second.
World.
I
I
don't think I
win.
can win anything with that.
I
This
just
is a
won,
good
you
card.
guys. Look,
Yeah,
this
it
is
is.
your defeat right here.
Pay
See, I
attention.
could take out all your life points if I played that
All
card.
right,
You could
Preston,
have.
you won, okay?
So I get the Yu-Gi-Oh card?
You won, so
You won.
give everyone out there just a few words of inspiration.
Oh, he's taking the hat off.
Good people of America. I'd like to take this opportunity to explain that here at Sky Media, we're all about entertainment and making sure that you enjoy the content that we put together. So thank you, we really appreciate it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment telling how bad I beat these guys, because it was pretty bad.